establishing the data center does take a little bit of work, and some of the items found within this blog will help you understand that. So please take a few minutes to go to the blog. Here's the address right here. Just go to technologymilestones.com and hit blog, and you'll see establishing the data center. But let me give you just a real quick 1-minute overview of what that blog will talk about. You know, it's absolutely critical within a data center environment to offer redundancy. And when you offer redundancy to your customers or your current organization, it's always easier if you go with the same organization. For example, hosting company X may have a facility on the East Coast of the United States and the West Coast of the United States, or one in France and one in New York. Have that redundancy between those two sites so that you can brace for any impact, network disconnectivity, things of that nature. The other thing to consider about redundancy is where that data center is in relationship to a peering point, which will give you more horsepower, but will also help you gauge if something goes wrong with a segment of the network, will you still be able to provide services? So security here, of course, is vitally important. Let's make sure that we keep our security of our data. We want to be able to secure it within caged areas, and I talk a little more about security here down in the bed and breakfast example. So you'll want to read up on that. Customization, of course, but the last thing I'm going to go over is audit worthy, and I've put in a couple standards here. You want to make sure that your data center environment, however you've established that environment, whether it's for yourself or whether it is for a customer of yours, that they do comply with specific audit capabilities, SOC and others, that will truly allow you to be a provider of data and allow you to have those controls and processes in place to protect those things that you're storing in those remote data centers.